makes me happy because you can take care of a plant as a pet.
Elementary in Albany, and we are helping to install new garden beds and paint yoga poses on the wall so the kids can do some yoga and be active during different classes at the school here.
It's much bigger than just a garden, so this is being transformed into an outdoor learning space. We're going to be having different classes come out here, from a science class, a math class, whomever wants to. They actually all volunteered to take initiative of a certain plot and take care of the vegetables and fruits and flowers that are growing there.
It feels like your life is peace, and it gives you time to relax, and it's like get all your bad emotion out.
The idea is that the kids can have somewhere outside with fresh air to kind of learn, but then also to tie in some of the mindfulness aspects that the school strives for, and making sure that the kids can have somewhere like a little tranquil to relax, hence why we're doing some yoga poses on the walls as well. So there's different options. They can come in, do yoga poses, or they can come and actually participate in planting or take care of the garden, sometimes to relieve some of the stress or some of the concerns that they have going on at home or in school. They have a lot of pent up energy sometimes, and so a nice, safe, easy, fun space for them to kind of let out some of that energy.
We come out here and then we take care of the plants. If some plants are not good, we take those out, and then if some plants good, we water them and stuff like that.
This helps to promote physical activity and get the kids outside so they have a different learning environment, and now we have different things they can do to stay active, because when kids are active, when they're learning, they actually have a better chance of learning more and staying more engaged with what they're learning about. St. Peter's Health Partners, their Community Benefit Department, has helped fund this, as well as community health programs through a great grant from New York State on creating healthy schools and communities. So we're able to use that funding to help support the garden beds, the soil.